Global leaders, medical professionals, and musicians are coming together for Vax Live, the concert to unite the world. The broadcast special is to inspire confidence in vaccines and help get vaccines to everyone, everywhere. This morning, Dr. Georges Benjamin from the American Public Health Association and Michelle Hillman from the Ad Council join us to talk a little bit more about it. Good morning to you both. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, Doctor, we'll start with you. Talk to us a little bit about the importance of continuing this conversation around vaccine confidence.
Well, we know there are many people who still don't feel very confident about getting vaccinated, and we're working very hard just to make sure that we can answer their questions. You know, it's okay for people to have questions, and we just think that if we give people the information, then they can make a much better informed decision, and that allows them to be able to do the things that they love to do.
Right, Doctor, we've seen some reports in terms of will we ever reach herd immunity? What exactly do we need to know in terms of getting the vaccine and why it's so important?
Well, we want to get enough people to be vaccinated so we can break the chain of infection. That will also help us deal with this problem with the variants. And so the closer we can get to this concept of herd immunity, the better. But look, let's not get focused on a number. You know, if we get everybody vaccinated, then we don't have this issue. And so we're really trying to just make sure everyone is confident enough to get vaccinated.
Yeah, and so then the question becomes, how do we do that? So Michelle, talk a little bit about what the Ad Council is doing to make sure that this information gets to people.
Absolutely. You know, this is the biggest campaign of our lifetime, and our goal is to make sure that the American public has the most accurate, updated information. We want people to get educated, get questions answered, and feel empowered to make an informed choice for them and their families. And, you know, we're thrilled to team up with Global Citizen for this Vax Live concert. It's another way to bring together fantastic talent, medical professionals, experts, to hear stories, to get facts, to drive people to get more information, and, you know, to remind people that we can get back to things like concerts and sporting events and hugging our families, and really trying to help people weigh the risk reward for those people that are still on the fence. So we're hoping people go to getvaccineanswers.org, get all the information they need, and we're hoping to see more shots and more arms.
Yes, and you talk about concerts and being able to get back to that. I myself had to cancel a few concerts. So tell us a little bit about the concert. You've got some big names, and what kind of stories are they going to be sharing? We know many of us, myself included, battled COVID.
Absolutely. I mean, it's hosted by Selena Gomez. You're going to see Jennifer Lopez, Eddie Vedder, Food Fighters, and many others. There's a lot of world leaders, and people are going to be sharing the stories of what they've gone through, what they're hoping to get back to, the moments that they miss, reuniting with their family, their loved ones, going to sporting events, being back in their communities, and hopefully inspiring people to sort of raise that confidence overall, and push up against that hesitancy that Dr. Georges was speaking about, so they get shots and we get to the other side of this thing.
Mm-hmm. Doctor, what does it mean to see so many people stepping up to share in this message?
Oh, it's exciting to see. And I just think that these are very important people. They influence a lot of people. People listen to what they say. And so it's important, not only the message, but also the messenger. And so we're really excited that all of these stars and world leaders are coming out to really say, let's deal with this virus as a unified nation, as a unified globe. This is very important.
Okay, perfect. And Michelle, lastly, tell us where we can find more information about the concert. And it is tomorrow, right?
It is. It's tomorrow, May 8th. It's 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on ABC, CBS, and YouTube, and then 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Fox if you miss it. So lots of places to see it. It was filmed with vaccinated frontline and healthcare workers, and it's going to be a great show, and hopefully people are going to learn a lot and get the answers that they need.
All right. Should be exciting. Thank you so much both for joining us this morning. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Stay with us. We'll be right back on Good Day.